Hello again, this is Nir from PolypopLive, and today I'm going to be showing you in a very quick and easy tutorial how to add a thank you hotkey to your live stream. And by thank you hotkey, I mean this animation or overlay, where you see the text in the center of the screen and these smiling emojis floating around randomly all over your screen. Because sometimes viewers cheer you and you want to say thank you in a more visual way. Or you want to have a better engagement with the audience and someone says something really nice in the chat and you just tell them thank you in a different way and make them feel good about themselves and have a smile on the face. So let's get to it. Let's learn how to add this thank you hotkey to your live stream. And as I said before, it's super easy. All you need to do is take your mouse, under scene layout, click on the plus button here. Then under categories, go to hotkeys, look for the thank you hotkey, double click it, and now it's going to ask you to assign a key on your keyboard. I'm going to assign the letter T, and now whenever I click the letter T, the animation will appear on my live stream. And remember, because this is Polypop, all the animation is being generated live, so whenever I click the T, the animation will be slightly different. So that's it. That's all you need to do in order to add this thank you hotkey to your live stream. You can change the font and its color. In order to do so, you will go to the thank you 3D text in the scene layout, pick the color, in the properties, change it to whatever you want. You can change the font. So now if I click the letter T, I can see that both the font and its color have been changed. And that's it. Now you know how to add a thank you hotkey to your live stream. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.